Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are reviewing an accessible and portable 61-key electronic piano built specifically for beginner musicians and music learners, the PWNLDY 661-key portable digital piano. If you are looking for an ultra-lightweight starter keyboard that includes an external microphone, rich learning content, and dual power flexibility, let's break down everything this system brings to the table. First, let's look at the build quality, safety, and portable design. The PWNLDY 600 is constructed from durable, eco-friendly ABS material with precision-molded rounded edges for safe and comfortable handling. Its control panel features a color-coded interface with distinct red and blue function buttons, making navigation intuitive for learners of all ages. Its slim profile makes it easy to transport between studio practice, music lessons, or outdoor performances. It offers dual power options. You can plug it in using the included power adapter or insert 4 AA batteries for complete on-the-go portability. Next, let me highlight the sound engine and performance features. This keyboard comes packed with 100 timbres, 10 accompaniment rhythms, 8 percussion trigger panels, and 100 demonstration tracks covering a wide range of musical genres. To help build playing technique and chord theory, it supports single-finger and multi-finger chord systems, rhythm programming, and dynamic sound effects like sustain, vibrato, and echo. Finally, let me show you the interactive microphone and recording tools. The PWNLDY 600 includes an external microphone connection, allowing beginners to sing along through the dual built-in stereo speakers while playing. It also features real-time performance recording and playback, letting users capture their live practice, listen back to analyze their articulation, and build performance confidence. Overall, the PWNLDY 600 is a versatile, lightweight starter keyboard that provides a great combination of sound variety, battery-powered mobility, and interactive singing and recording features. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, leave your questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more keyboard reviews, instrument tests, and music gear showcases. Thanks for watching.